Hello student, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. I am Gautam sir from Focus Academy. Today lecture again JE Maths vectors continue. Okay, so now I start vectors. Shortcut 10. If A vector, B vector are two vectors, then A vector into B vector square, A vector dot A vector, A vector dot B vector, B dot A, B dot B. Shortcut 11. If A vector is the any vector, then A vector I square, A vector into J square, A vector into K square, 2 times of A vector square. Okay, is any vector, then you can this 2 times of this. Okay. If A vector, B vector, C vector are three vectors of the points A, B, C respectively, then the perpendicular distance from C to the line AB is B vector cross C vector plus C vector cross A vector plus A vector cross B vector by magnitude of B minus A. Wait. Wait. If A vector, B vector, C vector are three vectors such that A, B, C are perpendicular to B plus C, C plus A plus B, respectively, then A plus B plus C is equal to this. Magnitude of A plus B is equal to under root of magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square plus magnitude of C square. I vector cross I vector plus A vector cross A vector cross J vector. A vector cross A vector cross K vector. To A vector. Shortcut 15. Okay. Next, shortcut 16. Let the position vector of quadrilateral ABCDB, A vector, B vector, C vector, and D vector. Area of triangle ABC of B minus A cross B minus A of A cross B, B cross C, C cross A. Okay. Now, area of quadrilateral ABCD is half B minus A cross B minus D. Third, volume of parallelogram pipe with edges DA, DB, DC each A minus D, B minus D, C minus D. Okay. Now fourth. Volume of tetrahedron ABCD is 1/6 A vector minus D vector, B vector minus D vector, C vector minus D vector. Okay. पॉज करके सब कर लेना और इसको करते करते रहिए और मेरा चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करना है, आप कर दीजिए। फिर आपका पास नया नया क्वेश्चन आते रहेगा, शेयर जरूर करना। शॉर्टकट 17 इफ ए बी A vector, B vector, C vector is equal to 0, then any two of the vectors are parallel for A, B vector, C vector are coplanar or C vector is equal to alpha times of A vector, beta times of B vector. Okay, this is part, this is second part. A vector cross B, B cross C, C cross A, B, C. Square bracket whole square. That means you can write A dot A, B dot A, C dot A dot B, B dot B, C dot B, A dot C, B dot C, C dot C. Okay. Now इसको नोट करो। Third part, A, B, C dot U, B, W is equal to A dot U, A dot B, A dot W, B dot U, B dot B, B dot W, C dot U, C dot B, C dot W. Okay. Now next, shortcut 18. Plane through the non-collinear points A vector, B vector, C vector is R minus A, B minus A, C minus A0. The distance of point A vector from the plane R dot n vector is equal to P is A dot n minus P by magnitude of n. और ऐसा भी आपने कार्टेशियन में करके डायरेक्टली आप वैल्यू डाल देते ना ax1 plus bx1 plus cx1 plus d by under root of a square plus b square plus c square, ये भी आप कर सकते हो. ओके डिस्टेंस हुआ. अब थर्ड पार्ट इसी का ही the foot of the perpendicular from the point A vector to the plane R vector dot n vector is equal to P is A vector minus A vector dot n vector minus P n vector by n vector into n vector. The image of the point A vector in the plane R dot n is equal to P is A vector minus 2 into R dot n minus P n vector by n dot n. ओके इसको सब नोट करो और इसमें से क्वेश्चन भी आपको आएगा, करना है आपको. ओके ओके बाय एवरीवन. और आप ये सब चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करो, आगे फिर शेयर भी कर देना. ओके बाय एवरीवन.